40 seconds left into the third. Number 15, Vergara. Number 14, Abugan. Balikin number 15, Vergara. Number 23, Alaw. To number 14, Abugan. Correction, 14 rounds, Benabil. Number 35, yes, number 8, Salada. Total jumper by Salada there. With number 15, Vergara. And there's number 8, Salada. The number 99, Asoro. It's good. Number 15, Vergara. Number 23, Alaw. Work downtown. 3. Number 30, Ibanez. Number 8, Salado. Number 99, Asoro. Number 15, Benitez. Ibanez. Pull-up jumper by Ibanez. Ervil. Four minutes and 40 seconds to play. Dito sa third quarter period. Number 23, Alaw. For 3 points. Olympic score natin 69. 82, 4 minutes and 22 seconds left. Dito sa third quarter period. Number 13, Ibanez. Attack. Jumper by Ibanez. Good. Number 15, Vergara. Number 23, Alaw to number 68, Arnold. Best by Gamboa. Ibanez. Number 99, Asoro. After number 2, Figaro Sachi. Like Kiko, Adriano. Number 15, Vergara. To number 13, Abugan. Benabil Water. Score 86, 71, jumper by Siminiano. Number 31, play foul number 17, Siminiano. First personal. Penalty and 2 shots. Number 35, Mangaran. Number 01, Bautista. Defense by Pan. And pull-off jumper. Number 01. Wait, number 35, Mangaran. Number 23, Alaw. 3 minutes and 8 seconds left out the third quarter period. Number 24, Fine. Number 14, Abugan. Back to Panan. Number 35, Mangaran. It's good by Mangaran. Number 15, Benitez. Second personal. Bonus shot, number 35, Mangaran. Rebound play by Mangaran. Bilang score natin, 86-75. Binaba na dito, lumabang abante ng Benabil Water. Dito sa third quarter. Rebound by Gamboa. Number 23, Alaw to number 13. Mangaran. Defense by Mangaran. Selection play by Celada. Binigay number 17. Eximiniano, number 15. Mark Benitez. Pumihid yan mo! Kaya ito si referee Ante and King Fortaleza. Last ball possession for Wise Guys. And 2 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. It is the third quarter for it. And the score natin 78-88. So 10.8 na lang dito. Ang mapante ng Benaville Water. Third quarter pa lang tayo. Number 35, Mangaran! Napakataas ng akad. Number 35, Mangaran.
Oo na lang. Ako nga, hindi pa na lang. Lilipat ko.
Only 2 minutes and 10 seconds tayo. Third quarter break. Score natin 88-80. Wala na lang dito. Ang napante ng Benaville Water. Eximiniano. Asoro. Border. Seconds left on the third quarter first. Number 14 na Bugan. Breaking number 35, Mangaran. Top number 35. Oh, that's the last touch. Set person. Score natin 80-90. 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining on the third quarter. Number 99, Asoro opens shot. Number 15, Mark Benitez. Number 24, Pangan. Selection play, number 24, Pangan. Abugan, Melto Pangan. 10 seconds on the shot still. We're going to move on to our number 17, Eximiniano. No put back. Good, Warren Ibanez. Seconds. Number 14, Abugan. Attack number 14, Abugan. Number 13, Ibanez. Moving the ball. Taking number 2, Adriano. Using the glass here. Rebound by number 14, Abugan. Bukasan si Mark Benitez sa floor. Number 14 is there. Number 99. Number 2, Kiko Adriano. Ito number 14. Darnell Gambo. Substitution. Substitution. Seconds to play dito sa third quarter pa lang natin. Ito ang Mayor Boyd and Irish Cup Open and Door Commercial Basketball Tournament. The finals best of 3, game number 1 bukas po, game number 2 natin alas 5 po yan ng hapon dito pa rin sa NRS Gym.